You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player playing with the French national rugby team, and a fantastic player. I believe he was voted one of the best players in the world, so hopefully we get the World Cup. Damian, that's how we say it in France. Damian, not Damian, but Damian Penaud. Penaud. The D is silent at the end, so in English you can say it as Damian, or Damian, I guess you could say. Penaud. Penaud. Damian Penaud, or in French again, Damian Penaud. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.